More Americans signed up for unemployment benefits last week. That's the first time filings for weekly jobless claims. They rose by 14,000 to 202,000 in February, according to the Labor Department. This marks the first increase in 3 weeks as some employers work to hold on to employees amid a tight labor market. And while employers are trying to hold on to employees, consumers, they're trying to hold on to their cash. Personal spending inched up 0.2% in February, according to the Commerce Department. That's below expectations and significantly lower than the 2.7% increase in January. Inflation's hitting everyone hard these days. In California, gas prices right now are painfully steep. With all that, the last thing you need is to be paying more for car insurance, but rates, they're going up. Why? Well, joining us on the floor with some answers and advice is Rod Griffin, Senior Director of Consumer Education for credit reporting company Experian. Rod Griffin, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
First question, what is driving this increase in prices?
The same thing that's driving gas prices in part. It's inflation. It's actually inflation's increasing at a rate that hasn't been matched since I was in junior high school about 30 or 40 years ago. So that's driving costs for everything up, including insurance.
So right out of the gate, what should consumers be doing right now to get a better rate? We know we can click around, shop around for prices. Is there more we can do than that?
Exactly right. In comparison shop, you have the ability to get better rates. So we have an auto insurance shopping service that can save as much as $900 a year, on average, at Experian.com/save. There are others, but make sure that you are comparing the rates you have available, because it's important to reduce your costs wherever you can. Using your ability to compare rates and talk to your insurance provider are really critical.
What other factors are there? Like perhaps you, over the last year or 2 years, you're working from home now and you're driving a lot less. Is that a factor that you need to be communicating and working to get a discount on?
Absolutely. And talk to your current provider and others. They have a number of different discounts. Fewer miles is one, potentially having a safe driver tracker that shows that you don't race away from the stop sign or the stoplight can be another. If you're talking to your kids and have high school students in particular that are driving for the first time, good grades can help reduce insurance rates as well as make sure they get into the best schools. So talk to your insurance provider about the discounts that they have available for you.
What kind of variation is there out there? I mean, is this a very big difference in this market from what people they've been on the same policy for years, they haven't gone out and shopped again? Can they find an appreciable difference out there right now?
Absolutely, they can. You're in the driver's seat. When you can compare rates through our service, we can, as I said, save as much as $900 a year. So take advantage of your shopping power and your leverage. There are other things you can do, like make sure your credit scores are in good shape in your credit report, because insurance companies are going to look at your ability to pay that premium on time. So good credit scores can help too. But you have the power to leverage the insurance companies against one another to get the best terms and rates.
What about driving records? Is there anything people could do to address maybe a blip on their driving record that might also play a role in the rate that they're getting?
Potentially. Parking tickets can be an issue. They're not part of a credit report anymore. I've been with the company 25 years, and they actually used to be.
Okay.
And San Diego was when I got a lot of people calling me about. But if you have safe driving records, clear driving records, talk to your insurance company, and that can certainly help in reducing your rates.
Rod Griffin, Senior Director of Consumer Education for credit reporting company Experian. Thanks for opening our eyes a little bit on this, car insurance rates going up and what we can do to fight back. We appreciate your time today.
Great, thank you.
Thanks.